Hi everyone, Peter Hobbs here from Metro Property Development. We're here today at our Treetops Kenmore project, located in the blue chip suburb of Kenmore. With stage 1 now sold out and stage 2 80% sold, I'm pleased to advise we'll be fast tracking the release of our final stage in the coming weeks. With the drier weather in February, I'm pleased to advise that our builder, Creation Projects, has made good progress on site from a construction perspective. We're now seeing the first roofs in stage 1 being erected, and many slabs and frames are due to roll out in the coming weeks. One of the biggest selling points here at Treetops in Kenmore has been the sustainability of the project, including items such as Envirocrete slabs. Other features that have been appealing to buyers include solar panels on every townhouse and electric car charging stations in every garage. With construction progressing so well on site, let's now hear from one of our supplier partners, Hi-Tech.
Hi, I'm Neil Bunce and I'm the Operation Manager at Hi-Tech Framing, and today we're on site at Treetops at Kenmore. Creation Projects has engaged Hi-Tech Framing for the supply and install for the structural and light gauge steel. Hi-Tech frames are manufactured weeks in advance to ensure there's no delays on the construction schedule. Really excited for the progress we've made in stage 1, and we're looking forward to moving on to stage 2 shortly.
With sales and construction progressing so well at Treetops at Kenmore, don't miss out on your opportunity to move in to these luxury townhouses in early 2024.